Hello, Algebra 2 students for Bell. We are looking at this little puzzle thing here, rewriting in slope-intercept, and I'm going to take you through the odd ones for this little exercise here. I guess, you get whatever you figure out your answer, you find it here and you put it down here in these slots. So let me take you through these. I want to get, y by itself on one side. And so in order to do that, what I did, I like keeping my y to the left. I don't necessarily have to do this. I could have kept it over on the right. By that I mean I could have taken and subtracted 7 from both sides. So this would have been x minus 7 equals y. And so I would have been done. But no, I had to bring the y over, and then I had to bring the x over, and then I had to multiply everything by -1 in order to get rid of that negative in front of the y. And so this actually is the same as this. Notice it's just backwards, okay? So I just did a lot of moving that I, didn't really necessarily need to do. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 3, go ahead and try the evens on your own. Make mistakes. We learn from the process anyways. What I need to do is I need to get rid of this 8, so I subtract 8 from both sides. And then I need to get rid of this negative, and I multiply everything by -1. So in other words, I change, if I'm changing the signs on this side of the equation, I have to change all my signs on this side. This was positive, this was negative, this becomes negative, and this becomes positive. And there you have it. There's my final answer. For number 5, this one's easy. All I have to do is divide every term by 5. So that gets rid of my 5. So I end up with y equals x plus 3 because 15 divided by 5 is 3. Number 7, once again, I could have, just left the y over here on the right and it would have been a lot shorter, but no, I had to bring the y over here and then take the 12 over here and then get rid of the negatives, and so it ends up looking like this. -12 becomes 3 because -12 divided by -4 is 3. Just so you understand that. And I can't divide 5 by 4, so I just leave it 5/4, and that answer is down there in your bank anyways. Okay, so number 9. Number 9 looks like this. Once again, I could have just added 8 to both sides, like my number 1, and left the y over here, but no, I like to bring the y over to the left. So I'm doing that because it looks like the answer's in your bank, okay? And then you can see I had to divide everything by -13. It actually turned everything +2 for me. So number 11 was the one that kind of took me the longest, but I don't know why. But well, probably because you're dealing with a fraction. So I have y to the left anyway, so I had to subtract a 7/12 x on both sides, so that put it over here. And then when I divide by 1/4, I'm actually multiplying by 4/1. So that becomes -28 over 12. That simplifies if I divide both the top and the bottom by 4. -7/3 x, and I have that 8 there because when you multiply, when you divide 2 by 1/4, you get 8. You're just multiplying by the inverse. Okay? So you would find these answers in the bank and then use those words and, put them down here, and you get a cute little answer to my son was crying because he didn't know what a homophone was, and so and so you get some clever little punny answer, I'm sure. Okay, hopefully this helps. Thanks.